This is an instructional video for how to use Factile. So you might have used Factile in your classrooms when creating things like Jeopardy games, but Factile actually does a lot more than that. To get started, you're going to go to playfactile.com. And if you scroll down here, it's actually going to show you can create Factile, which is like Jeopardy. You can do like a choice, kind of like a quizzes. This is where you can create a memory game, or you can do flashcards. So maybe you don't want to do Google Slides, but you can create these flashcards with Factile that are going to do the same thing, okay? So we're going to come up here and we're going to go Build Now, Sign Up for Free. And wait for it to load because my computer's very tired. There we go. Okay, so we have to sign up for an account, which means you're going to need to use an email address. This can be your school email address, or if you have a parent's email that you can use, that's fine too. I already have a school account, so I'm going to use a different email just so that I know I haven't created one yet. So I'm going to click sign up. And we are going to go with free account, no charge ever. Now this one is only going to allow you to use or to create 3 Factile games. So just keep in mind that you're going to be a little bit limited in how many you can create, but you really only need 1 for this. So the first thing we're going to do is create our first game. Okay. Let's see. Now we are going to enter a custom URL, which just means you can decide what it's titled, or you can just auto-generate. It's just going to give you one that you need to copy and paste. Then for your game title, so for today's game title, we're going to go Math Review, save and continue. Okay. And this is where you kind of have different options. So each thing that you fill in is going to create kind of like a flashcard. So let's say for this, we're going to enter this category title, and we're going to say that it's multiplication of decimals. So for $100 for multiplication of decimals, my question is going to be 1.3 times 2.4, right? So we're going to type our answer in here, which you are going to work out, but for the sake of time, I'm going to do like this, which is 3 1200. And then we're going to hit save. Okay, this is going to kind of work like a it's going to essentially work like a flashcard. So on one side, you've got the question. On the back side, you've got the answer. So really, and you don't have to use all of these. You can use as many as you want. Multiplication of decimals, you could do a couple different categories. Because at the end, when you hit play game, there's your URL up here. This is what you would copy. And then you can select play as flashcards, choice, or play Factile as memory. Those are going to be your options. So we're going to copy that, and that's what you would share with your teacher. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher and let them know.